Hello and welcome to JM Tech Compare and Unboxing. Today in this video we are unboxing Oppo Reno 8 Pro. So without further delay, let's get started. The main highlights of this phone are: it has got MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max processor, dual Sony flagship sensors on the front and back of the phone with a streamlined unibody design. It has got 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charger. Let's get started with unboxing. Inside the box, you will be getting a good quality case to protect the phone, some paperwork documentation, SIM card tool, USB Type-A Type-C cable, 80-watt SuperVOOC charger. In terms of physical overview and build, it has got a glass front and glass back with metal frame sides. Towards the top is a noise-cancelling mic. Towards the bottom a speaker, a microphone, a charging slot, and a SIM tray. Towards the right a button for power on, off. And towards the left is the volume rocker. It has got an in-display fingerprint sensor. And some of the sensors available in the phones are accelerometer, gyro sensor, proximity sensor, and compass. There are two color options available for this phone, which are shimmer glazed black and glazed gold. Coming to the body dimensions, the length is 161.2 millimeters, which is 6.35 inches. And the width is 74.2 millimeters, which is 2.92 inches. And the thickness is 7.3 millimeters, which is 0.29 inches. Coming to the display, it has got a AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, which supports HDR10+. The size of the display is 6.7 inches. The screen-to-body ratio is 80.3% and the resolution is 1080 x 2412 pixels with 394 ppi density. The front glass is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Coming to the memory, it doesn't have a physical memory card slot. Two variants are available and are 256 GB internal with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal with 12 GB RAM. Coming to the camera, the rear camera is having a triple setup with a primary sensor having 50 megapixel. And the secondary sensor is having 8 megapixel. And the third sensor is having a 2 megapixel macro camera. In terms of video, it supports 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 or 60 or 120 or 240 frames per second and 720p at 960 fps with Euro EIS. Coming to the front camera, it has got a single camera setup with a 32 megapixel sensor. You can shoot 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 at 60 at 120 at 240 fps, 720p at 960 fps with Euro EIS. In terms of the platform, the OS is Android 12 with ColorOS 12.1. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max, 5 nanometers. With octa-core CPU and GPU is Mali G610MC6. Coming to the sound systems, a 3.5mm jack is not available, however, a loudspeaker is available with stereo speakers. Coming to the battery, it has a LiPo 4500 mAh, non-removable battery with 80W charging, 1 to 45% in 10 minutes, 1 to 100% in 31 minutes, reverse charging. Now coming to the communication ports. It supports GSM, HSPA, LTE and 5G technology. Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6, dual band, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. The Bluetooth version is 5.3, A2DP, LE, aptX HD. It supports NFC and the USB is Type-C. In the final segment, we have the benchmarking performance tests and R. Antutu 718351 V9. Geekbench 3395, version 5.1. GFX Bench 44 frames per second, ES 3.1 on screen. Thanks for watching. See you in another tech video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.